Our list includes Galaxy phones of S series, A series, and Z series. Recently, Samsung has emerged as the leading phone manufacturing company in almost every market worldwide, including Asia, Europe, and North America. The South Korean tech giant has introduced several phone series, including the S series, the A series, and the Z series of foldables. As Samsung offers a more diverse variety of smartphone choices than any other phone maker, it can be difficult to choose the best option. Here is a list of some of the best Samsung phones you can buy. Best Samsung phones in 2024. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra stands out as the best option Samsung has to offer in recent times, with a screen size of 6.8 inches and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It has a 50MP 5x telephoto rear camera and a 12MP front camera. It also offers excellent battery life, 12GB RAM, and 256GB of storage. Samsung has introduced this flagship with Galaxy AI, which includes features such as live and call translation, note and web page summaries, and powerful generative photo editing. Samsung Galaxy S24. The Samsung Galaxy S24 offers a 50MP rear camera and a 12MP front camera, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 8GB RAM, and 128GB of storage. It also comes with an extra bright display and strong battery life. Additionally, it offers Galaxy AI features similar to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. This is a big screen Samsung Galaxy flagship available for less than $1,000. It offers a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED screen and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It has a 50MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide front camera, 12GB RAM, and 256GB of storage. It has a higher display resolution and offers a well-balanced alternative within the family, along with the same software update schedule and Galaxy AI benefits. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is Samsung's latest flagship that launched at the Galaxy Unpacked event. It offers a 7.6-inch AMOLED screen, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and strong battery life. The device's lightweight body makes it easier to use. Moreover, the addition of Galaxy AI features, including the interpreter mode and sketch-to-image, makes it even better. However, the upgrades have caused Samsung to increase the prices. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. It is the most expensive Z Flip yet. It offers a 50MP camera, which is the best option for photography enthusiasts. The upgraded Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset not only unlocks better performance but also new AI-powered features, including interpreter mode and photo assist. However, the pricing is a bit high at $1,000, considering the battery life, which doesn't last long on a single charge.